Welcome back to CIE-Group. We're over at ISE 2024 in Barcelona. And I'm over on the Opus Technologies stand, which is one of the latest additions to the CIE-Group range of products. I'm really lucky to have caught Clément from Opus to talk about their induction loop range, which we're going to be bringing over to the UK market. Clément, welcome to CIEGroup.com first of all.
Thank you very much.
Really excited to be adding Opus to the range. Tell us a little bit about the business and then let's talk about the product range that our CIE customers are going to get hold of in the UK.
That's great. Well, we are Opus Technologies. We are a French manufacturer of induction loop system, so assistive listening solution for hard of hearing people. We are based in the southwest of France. All the products are manufacturing in France. We just focused on product that would be reliable, efficient, and basically when you install an induction loop system from Opus Technologies, you know that you're not gonna have to, go back to it.
So many of our customers know induction loops or AFILS really well. They're using them already, but not everybody is installing induction loop systems. It's about assistive listening technologies. Tell us about what the product does and how assistive listening actually works.
So our main focus is on induction loop systems. So what we do basically is that we take an audio source, send it to our drivers, lay down a cable all around the room, generate a magnetic field, and any hard of hearing people will capture this signal directly into their hearing aid, free from background noises, from echo effect. So that really announces, the comprehension for them. Basically, we offer induction loop system, a UHF system also, and window intercom system when you want to announce the communication in one-to-one communication at counters, for example.
So counters is a great one. If we're looking at banks and we're looking at post offices, we should always see that induction loop ear sign and switch to the T position. Churches is a huge market, of course, for induction loops, but really, I guess, anywhere where you've got public access and there are going to be noisy background environments, people who are hard of hearing need to be able to access the same communication as people with standard hearing.
That's exactly the case. Basically, everywhere you have audio, you can consider that we're going to be the audio for hard of hearing people. So indeed, like a church, a conference room, a classroom, an auditorium, basically everywhere the audio is the essential, we can turn any of these facilities into accessible for hard of hearing people. And it really announces, the comprehension for hard of hearing people, capturing indeed like this audio free from background noises, like echo effect and etc. Capturing the audio directly into the hearing aid, wirelessly obviously. We know CIE for a while. We know that these guys are really trustful partners. They've done a great job, with a bunch of friends, in the UK, really building a lot of knowledge. I probably, came across CIE through these you guys video and your videos, showing, how you guys master all the technologies you're providing. And that's something that is very important for us, that we make sure that our partner, master the technology that they're representing. And we know that, CIE's team is definitely committed.
And I think that really is key when we talk about induction loop systems. What key to a successful induction loop systems isn't purely about the physical product itself. It's about getting the system design right and it's about getting the cabling right.
It's very important that when you install a loop system, you take a bunch of constraints to make sure that the system will be functional, like basically background noises, the presence of metal that can basically impact the strength of the magnetic field, the listening aid, and etc. So if you want to make sure that the installation you're going to offer would be suitable perfectly with what you need to take all of these constraints into account. So what we have done here at Opus, we have designed a software, SmartLoop, a loop simulation software that basically will take in account all of these constraints, compute all the information, and provide you like perfect reports telling you, look, with this constraint, here is the driver you're going to need, this is the cable section you're going to need, and this is why you need it. So indeed, like we gave a free access, to obviously CIE. We gave like a full training on SmartLoop to CIE guys. So you make sure that any Opus product that will come into your hands will have first, going through the process of this SmartLoop loop design.
So we're really excited to be bringing Opus over to the UK. If you want to find out more about the product, if you want to try the product out for yourself, or indeed, as Clément says, if you want assistance with designing those systems, contact your CIE account manager or join us at CIEGroup.com.